Often, we get overwhelmed by the sheer number of cables that surrounds us. It is chaotic, frustrating, and dangerous. Our cable management tray will last you a lifetime and will solve these problems for you. Why is this truly the best choice you can ever make? The open design prevents the trays from gathering dust. Good airflow keeps surge protectors and power bricks safe and cool. Cables can comfortably and hassle-free enter and exit anywhere alongside the tray. You can easily attach your surge protector to the outside of the tray. This tray is our absolutely strongest cable tray available on Amazon. It is perfect even for gamers and studios. It can easily be mounted to any wood surface, MDF, or particle board desk. You will find everything you need for the installation inside the box. A clear installation guide is available on the back of the box. Start here. Use a paper knife and cut out the template on the dotted line. And place the template under the desk and make sure it is neatly aligned with the desk edge. Drill pilot holes through the marked template holes. This is the most spacious and sturdiest computer wire organizer you can find on Amazon. It provides maximum support for even the heaviest loads of up to 10 pounds. You are now ready to place all your cables, power strips, and power bricks in your cable tray. There are 4 ways to install your tray: facing the front of the desk, facing the back, on the edge of the table, and you can even mount it to the wall. Warning: this cable tray is not suitable for honeycomb-filled tabletops because the screws will not hold. The cable tray is very spacious and it can hold a whole bunch of cords and cables. The cable tray is available as a single set or as a set of 2. Choose the one that suits your needs the best.